Congratulations to our September winner of Did You Make It? Miss Kim Lawson messaged me for your $20. If I was coming to your home and you were hiring me to clean or organize your house, okay, what are the 3 most annoying or most stressful things in your house? Whether it's my shower, it's my bathroom, it's my living room, it's my front porch, it's my kids' room, it's just my laundry closet, okay? Your top 3 annoyances. And let's get them attacked. Let the happiness begin. That's right. It's time for us to take control. Join the Take Control Challenge. Join me. Make changes to your house, your car, your life, whatever it may be that's stressing us out, that's weighing us down. Let's do it together. Let's feel better and be ready for the holidays and 2025. And of course, more pennies. I'm E. I'm a penny shopper, and I have been for about 5 years now. And I have a problem. That's right. I'm admitting it. I think it's a good problem to have. I think it's a great problem to have. But if we are successful shoppers, very successful shoppers, then we will end up with too much stuff if we're not getting rid of it, if we don't keep it organized, if we don't think ahead. I honestly, if you would ask me 5 years ago, if I would have thought I would have this much stuff or be able to, I would have never believed you. I mean, it was just like the whole first time I learned there were pennies, I didn't believe it. So I didn't realize exactly what I was getting myself into. And I was doing well with it, but then I think, like a lot of us, life happens. We may have control of things, and then something in life happens, or multiple things in life happen all at once or in a short amount of time, and we just crash. And that is 100% what I did. So I know where it started. I know where it got really bad. I know a lot of it was an emotional thing. I was filling a void. I was filling multiple voids for quite some time. And I have struggled to let go of things. We can do this. It's not impossible. And then it starts to get easier. Now, I'm not saying, I'm kind of to my midpoint right now, and I'm a little like I've already gotten rid of this, that, why am I, but this is not going to happen in a day. This is not going to happen in a week. This is something that takes time. We're going to do a little bit at a time, whatever. You make a schedule for yourself. I'm going to try to have a set schedule of when I'll release the videos for each week, and we can do this together. And even if it's something small, just get started. I'm going to say this is an easy one, but at the same time, it's not exactly easy depending on who we are. But get rid of something big, okay? Whether it is a piece of furniture, a side table, a shelf, a chair, something that is taking up floor space in your living room or in your bedroom that you seriously do not have an attachment to. You do not need it, but you're just holding on to it. That's what I have focused on as far as the big items in my house. What do we actually need? What do I actually love versus, oh, mom dropped these off after an estate sale because, nobody wanted them. Oh, so-and-so dropped this off because they thought I might like it. Oh, I brought this in just because it was cute and I've done nothing with it. Okay? Get rid of a couple things. Show me pictures. I want to see what it looked like before, what you got rid of, and then take a picture of what it looks like after. It's not just about being organized. There is a point of sometimes we have to let go of something or some things. We have to make room. You know, I did 3 cleaning videos already. You're welcome to go back, check those out, jump in on that, send me before and afters. This is my sink before, this is my sink after, shower, whatever. You can do all of these. You can do 2 of these, but before Christmas, I'm planning on like a week before Christmas, I will give $50 to the biggest difference, which means, you know, anybody along the way that does something that I literally look at that before and after and go, wow, like that's freaking awesome. That looks awesome. They're going to get $50 for the wow. And then I'm going to give $50 to someone as the MVP. So that would be somebody that, you know, worked on a number of things or a handful of things or really showed that they wanted this and they did do part of this. So let's do this. So plan of attack. Had to do voiceovers because my videos were far too long. All right. Right corner, I just needed it cleared out. I didn't like all of it. I added it because it was keepsakes. Okay. To the right of the fireplace, same thing. I love my books, but I put too much out. I wanted that gone. The dog cage was a different story. We didn't even have the dog yet, by the way, the puppy. That was a cat thing. But that's what I wanted to start with. Then I wanted to get my quilt rack back into the corner over by the window. This area back here, I had already worked on, but I still wasn't okay with it. Like, I'm still taking up too much floor space. You can see my printer is under that. Oh, the ironing board, where'd that come? My mom, you know, the estate sale. And the crowded corner is gone. I still haven't even decided if I'm going to keep this here, but definitely that's my great uncle's bench, so we shall be keeping it. So much better. Onto the fireplace. I did get rid of all the crates and the books and everything. I'm still not 100% happy with it, but also Toby's bed suitcase is pretty much too small, so that's going to go. And notice I still got a penny picture in there. I think I'm finally happy with this spot, but I am thinking about changing the big picture in the background. Stay tuned. Now, the front door section I have struggled with, as many people do, because a lot of times we put stuff there for convenience. So I started off, I used to have shoes there. I'm like, no, I got to get rid of the shoes in the crates. We can get the shoes out of the closet. So then what do? I end up putting a table there. Then it ends up being a catch-all. I'm like, no. So guess what? Nothing. What do you guys think? Leaving it empty. And here's your did you make it? Comment below. Do you struggle with putting things by your front and back doors for convenience versus keeping the area cleared? And salt is caught again. Sorry, tank's still dirty. Speedy's shedding right now, so we're doing lots of spritzing. But as you can see, Salt prefers Speedy's water over any other water that we put out. Okay, so let's check them out. Oh. Yep, Speedy's like, man, you're back again? Why you keep drinking my water? But yeah, notice they don't mess with each other. Like, it's been like this for a long time. It's so crazy. It's so crazy awesome.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm Winter.